Welcome guys, today I am with Motorola Escape 500 ANC headphones and I'm going to show you how you can move them to the pairing mode. So as you can see right here in this place we can find power button, and also next to this power button we can find indicator. So what do we have to do? We have to click and hold this button until this indicator right here starts blinking on the blue. We have to start by power off our headset. In my case, as you can see, they are turned off. It's not blinking, it's not activate. So right now we can start. Click and hold the button, take a look on the indicator. Okay, right now it's turned off. So click and hold. Keep holding. As you can see right now it's blinking. So we can finally release the button and click to pair new device. As you can see, after a few seconds they appears on available devices list, so just click on them once. And right now click pair to accept the pairing request. Be patient, after a few seconds they will pop straight here. And there it is. Right now we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.